Hello friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you how to make this delicious sweet caramelized onion slow cooker chicken thighs. This recipe is easy to make. The chicken is packed with flavor and full of the bone tender. Let's get started. We're using bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs for this recipe. We're going to start by seasoning the chicken with salt and black pepper and dried oregano. Mix the seasonings together, then season the chicken on both sides. Once the chicken is well seasoned, we're going to sear them. So in a hot skillet over medium-high heat, drizzle in some olive oil. Once the oil gets smoking hot, add the chicken thighs skin side down. Sear the chicken for 3 minutes on this side, then turn them over and sear them for another 3 minutes on the other side. Once the chicken has a golden brown sear on both sides, take them out of the pan, then place them into your slow cooker. Once all the chicken has been arranged in the slow cooker, we're going to go back to the pan. Then we're going to saute some onions. You don't have to add any more oil because there'll be enough oil left in the pan. Saute the onions over medium heat until they become caramelized. Caramelizing the onions will take about 10 to 15 minutes. Caramelizing the onions will add so much flavor to the chicken. Next, we're going to add a whole lot of garlic cloves and some brown sugar. Saute everything together for 1 more minute. The sugar will add extra caramelization to the onion. Once everything has cooked together, take the pan off the heat. Then throw the caramelized onion onto the chicken in the slow cooker. Spread the caramelized onion all over the chicken, then place the slow cooker lid on. Then let the chicken slow cook for 6 hours on high. This is what the chicken looks like when it's all done slow cooking. This will make your home smell so good. There's going to be so much delicious sauce to enjoy the chicken with. This recipe is great when served over rice, but you can also enjoy it on its own. The sauce is a great caramelized onion soup you can sip on, especially during these cold months. The chicken is full of the bone tender and is so flavorful. If you guys would like to make this recipe, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.